Well, good evening. Afternoon, it's 5 o'clock. So, happy 5 o'clock. We're at Cockfosters. Going to do some work. Train's on time, which makes a nice change. It's not an overly interesting shift, this particular one, but there is something at the end of it that we've not done before. Well, I've done it before, but in terms of we've never had to do it until this timetable. So, stick around and see what that is. Other than that, we're going to go to T4 now. Hey, how are you doing? So we made it to Terminal 4. So we're out of here about a minute. So we was on time. It was very busy in town though. Right, back up to Cockfosters. So we're back at Cockfosters. I was going to film getting off the train, but I was with another driver, so we was about 4 or 5 minutes late because we got held up just outside Acton for about 6 minutes waiting for a train to go into the depot. No, into the sidings even. Right, time to go do some work. We're going to head back to Terminal 4. Stop at Turnham Green both ways. Ooh. And then we're going to stable it via Oakwood. And then we're doing something a bit strange after that. Right, I think our train's just coming in. I hope. We want 344. Yep, there we go. It's turned a bit cool now. Maybe I should have brought a jacket with me. So, as I said earlier, it was busy for a Tuesday night. So hopefully, as it's a bit cooler, it'll won't be as busy. So T4, stop at Turnham Green both ways, into Oakwood. It's about as exciting as it gets. So we're due out in about 2 minutes, so I'll get sorted out and I'll see you down there, hopefully. Between Acton and here we lost about 8 or 9 minutes. It was just really slow, I don't know why. Right, so we're going to be about 3 minutes late leaving here now. But I've got to get my rear into gear. Got to drive this train up to Oakwood, stable it, stopping at Turnham Green. Now normally that would be me done then. Not tonight. We've still got another train to drive after this one. So we can afford to be a few minutes late, but if we're much more late, it's going to cause problems. So, see you at Oakwood. Right, we made it to Oakwood. There's only one member of staff, so we'll detrain the front three. Right, that's that done. Now we get to put this away. Right, we've made it to the depot. Now this is normally where I say we had no trouble in town, or if we had trouble we didn't tonight. And then I say, you know, good night, I'm walking out. But not tonight. It is midnight 41 and we've still got another train to drive, which is a pain, but anyway, never mind. Let's go find our train. Right, so another train. Should be. That train sat just there. Make sure there's nothing coming. Nothing coming. And we want the train on 43 middle, which should be this one. Yes. So this has been cleaned and prepped by the cleaners and depot staff. Whoa. However, I need to check it and prep it myself. So I'm just giving it a quick glance over as I walk to the rear. Floor could do with a good scrub. Anyway, that's not my problem, as long as there's no bodily fluids anywhere, no staff on board, no rubbish. Small air leak there I can hear, but these trains are so old, that's nothing new. So really just checking that there's no windows open, no panels off, no seats up. And there's no one on board. So I'm just going to prep this end of the train, which is basically just check everything's in order and do a brake test. Right, that's this end prepped. As I walk back through, just make sure I haven't missed anything. This will get prepped in the morning before it goes into passenger service, because all we're going to do, we're going to sit here for 20 minutes and then drive it onto the platform and leave it overnight on the platform. Basically, the reason we do this, and we never used to do this, is because harness growth sidings are out of action. So they leave one on the platform at Cockfosters. I think some extra are stabled also at South Harrow. But yeah, this is the first time in the timetable since I've been here that they've done this. And this timetable's been in a couple of months. So this is about third time I've done this duty. Now, to be fair, a few years back I did bring a couple of trains out and leave them on the platform. I can't remember why I had to, but that wasn't part of an actual duty. Must have been engineering works or something. I just, yeah, in and out, but with a couple of empty trains. Anyway, and lights aren't working, but the rest are, so that's fine. So I'm going to prep this end, and then we've got just under 20 minutes before we leave, and we'll see how many drivers want to lift.